today to talk to you about being Wonder Woman. And I know you are Wonder Woman. In my eyes, you are the best thing in the entire world. But you said to me this morning that you feel like you're falling apart a little bit, and that happens in marathon. And what I've discovered over the years is the reason it happens is because we do too much. We think, okay, I can train for a marathon, I can still work 12-hour days, I can still take care of my husband and my kids and my family, I can do all of these things and not change anything whatsoever. And the truth is, when you're trying to train for a marathon, when you're trying to train for an endurance event like this, you have to rest some. So start trying to get to bed earlier. I know you can't sleep later in the morning, but you're getting up earlier to do these workouts, so you're going to have to get a little more sleep at night. If you get a chance to get off your feet during the day when you're at work, and I know you don't because you're a hard worker, but if you do get a chance, try to put your feet up, try to take care of yourself, go get a massage, make sure you're eating the right things. That is so key, and I know you're really great about eating, but do make sure that you're getting every single vitamin and mineral that you really need. It is important. You can track this on fitday.com. There are lots of them. There's actually even ones for your phone, and that might be good for you because I know you're not a computer person. So try to track your food on fitday.com. Make sure you're getting everything you need. Make sure you're resting. Make sure you're getting massages and that you're taking care of yourself. This is a really big deal. This marathon, your first marathon, it is a big deal. It's not easy. And I know you've seen a lot of people do it. You've seen me do it for years. And you kind of think, well, people do it. It's easy. It's not easy. This is a tough thing. Even after my Ironman, I went the next week and watched people do the Marine Corps Marathon. And I thought, holy criminies, that's hard. It's hard. So take care of yourself, sweetie. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need me at all. And I'm so proud of you. Can't wait to hear about your run this weekend. I know you're going to kick its butt. Hope you're feeling better. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.